What's up, YouTube? It's Honda Yamaha fan, and Matt here. It's a cold day. Got these cheap Toro s200 snowblowers that I bought for $30 for the pair, and got tired of fiddling with the stock carb, so you know how to do it to them. Got a Tillotson HL, I think it's a 334B or 334A model. Way bigger than the stock carb, and this is the first pull. And I already primed it with a little bit of gas. To breathe. Jump on that butterfly a little bit. Well, it started. Oh god, this is gonna be a nightmare to tune. Yeah, this is gonna take a while to get this idle.
We're rolling.
All right.
Tell us about this one, brother?
This is the other one, and I just did a very quick and dirty carb cleaning. Yeah, this one was stored in a lot better conditions, so we'll see if it runs. Already dumped some gas down it. Ooh. Firing.
Blake, there's a car right there. Blake, there's a car. There's a car. Come on, baby.
Still runs like shit. No. It was going so good. Oh, she's throwing. All right, well, we took one dub today. We got the other blower working. It was stored in a lot better condition. Probably should have started with this one. The Tillotson one, not sure what's wrong with that one. Try to get that one going in a future video, but that's all for this one. We'll catch you in the next one.